Components views allows you to create different variants of a component. Double-click to enter the component canvas, and then click Add Component Views in the Style pane. Set the component views in the pop-up window. The basic view is our current view. You can click the Add button to add a view and give it a name. We named it with button. You can also choose which view to inherit from. The inherited view is the parent view, with child views below it. Click the OK button, and you can see the two tabs at the top of the canvas. By default, the base is selected, and clicking the With button will switch to the new view. If you check the Affect All Views button on the right, even changes to the child views will affect the parent view. If unchecked, changes to the child views will not affect the parent view, only the parent view will affect the child views. We add a new button to the child view and switch to the parent view. You can see that the parent view has not changed. Then we change the text of the parent view. Switch to the child view. The text of the child view is also changed, indicating that changes made to the parent view will affect the child view. However, certain attributes will remain consistent across all views, such as widget interactions, regardless of which view they were added to. We add a click interaction to the button in the child view to reload the current page. Switch to the parent view and you can see that the button has also interaction added. To use the views, go to the page where the component instance is placed. Select the component instance and then select Component View Droplist option in the Style pane. You can see that the component instance has switched to the selected view. To remove a view, double-click the view instance to enter the component canvas. Then click the Remove Views button on the Style pane to remove applied views.